Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can download songs to your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments at the end of the video. And let's get started. So, first of all, you will need to use any web browser in order to go to absolutely any site where you can download songs. To do this, you can simply type in a search engine, such as download songs, download music, or if you want to find a specific song, you write download and the name of the song. After that, you go to a site like mine, and then next to the song you'll find this sign with a down arrow or it'll either say the word download or there's 3 dots that you click on, and it'll say download. So you click on it, and as you can see it takes me to a certain song, and I click download to confirm it again. And as you can see, right here it shows us that if this arrow is already blue, there is no circle around it. It means that the song is downloaded. And you can check if it's downloaded to your phone very easily. To do this, you will need to go to the Files application on your iPhone. And as you can see, the song has been downloaded. This is how you can download any songs and music to your phone. If, however, when you go to the Files folder, you don't immediately find the song you downloaded, it means that you will need to do one more action. After you download the song, then on the website you'll need to click on the send arrow. And then further down at the bottom, right there in the menu should be Save to Files. You choose Save to Files, and after that 100% of your song that you downloaded will be in the Files folder on your iPhone. That's how you can download songs to your iPhone, friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to